If you ever want to travel to Tahiti and don't really know what to expect, here are a few things you should know. Hey everybody, my name is Tehani. I was born and raised in Tahiti and I moved to New Zealand 11 years ago. Here I love to share everything about Tahitian culture, Tahitian dance, and beauty and other things that I love. And today I'm here to share with you things you should know if you are planning to visit Tahiti or just if you want to know more things about Tahiti. I assume that if you all love Tahitian dance, you'll be also interested in Tahitian culture and Tahiti, how it is, and French Polynesia and everything. Anyways, okay, so Tahiti is a tiny little island, and this is the bigger island of French Polynesia. In French Polynesia, you have 222 islands, if I'm right. Tahiti is the main island, meaning that the airport, the international airport, is in Tahiti. So you will for sure visit Tahiti before visiting any other island. And then from Tahiti, you can take smaller planes to go into the other islands, which are beautiful, by the way. If you ever heard about Bora Bora, Bora Bora is not in Tahiti. Bora Bora is another island. You have to take a plane from Tahiti to Bora Bora to get there. Tahiti is a tropical island. Tahiti is lost in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and it's very humid and very, very warm there. People are really nice and kind, really welcoming, really simple. Life in Tahiti is so simple. If you go there, there's not much to visit, but there's a lot to live, and that's the culture. Fishing, enjoying the sea, playing with shark for some, whales for others. Never did that because it's too scary for me. When I see a shark in the sea, in the lagoon, I just go out of the water. But some people do love that, especially people visiting, and I think that's amazing. Okay guys, I need to go now. But if you have any other question about Tahiti or Tahitian dance, feel free to ask. I'm always happy to share about it. And the best way to share interesting things is to answer questions, so I can tell you what you want to learn, and we can learn together. I hope this video will be interesting for you, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye. Or Nana in Tahiti.